Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends, I am going to show you guys Infinix mobile guys language setting. Today video title है how to add language, how to set language in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to add any language in your device? So friends, how to add language one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to use language setting. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, in your device, open your phone system setting. After your phone system setting, you want to use language setting. So friends, click here language setting. Again friends, click here language setting, and you can add language. Friends, already I have added Hindi language. You want to add any language, you can add language from here. Marathi language, Punjabi language, Gujarati language, and this language friends I don't know about it. So please friends, don't add this language. Which language friends you can use easily, only add that language. So friends, I will add only Hindi language. After that friends, we will set English to Hindi, and friends you can check phone language will set Hindi. मेरा phone, Wi-Fi, hotspot, vibration, display, theme, lock screen, memory, app management, kids mode, battery lab setting, special function setting, Google setting, system setting. So like that friends, you can use Hindi language in your device. Camera, calculator, घड़ी means watch, phone, notepad, phone, face unlock, weather means मौसम, video player. So like that friends, you can use Hindi language in your device. And friends, you don't want to use Hindi language, you want to set your English default language, you want to change Hindi to English. So friends, how to change language? Open your phone system setting again. Friends, click here language setting. Again click here language setting. Select your English language and change language with Hindi. And friends, now your phone language will change Hindi to English, and now you can use your English default language. My phone, Wi-Fi setting, hotspot setting, more connection, sound vibration, display brightness, theme and lock screen storage. Like that friends, you can use language setting. And friends, you want to remove your language, so you can remove language. Which language you have added, three dot, click here remove, select language and click here remove option, you can remove language. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.